Hello, my name is Sue Grant and today we're having a look at Bella. She is a Grand Soleil 50 and she was delivered in 2005. She's in Plymouth at the moment, but she will be moving up to the Solent at the end of the season. Of course, glorious lines by Judel Vrolijk and built in 2005 by Cantiera del Pardo. So we're just going to hop on board. Teak decks are looking really good. This yacht has been hugely updated in this ownership. She is MCA category 2 in code, so all the safety kit, everything about this boat is fully serviced. Just have a look at the front. There's a forward lazarette, buttons for the windlass, which was replaced in 2016, delta anchor. And throughout on deck and down below, you'll see really good use of stainless steel protectors, handrails and all sorts of other stuff. She's got a Sparcraft rig. It's a high aspect tall rig, anodized, 3 sets of spreaders that are swept back. She had new standing rigging in 2015. This owner bought her in 2013. He's done the Arc with her, 3 fastnet races. He's used her a lot, loved her a lot, updated her a lot. She's got standing rigging from 2015, retractable bow thruster, and she also has some really lovely sails between Sanders, carbon laminate 216 mainsail, quite a lot of north, running on Raymarine. That has all been upgraded. She's got lots of lovely touches on the cockpit table, electric primaries, also halyard lift, twin wheels. Lovely area from which to relax and sail and race. And now we're going to have a look down below. The interior is in fabulous condition. See the stainless steel grabs and stuff. This is really a yacht for going to sea. Lovely teak interior. Floorboards are all looking very fresh. Upholstery was replaced 2017 and the mattresses and stuff in 2019. Here is the owner's stateroom. Lots of storage, light, airy. She's got central heating. This is the owner's heads. You see this custom stainless steel shower. That was fitted 2016. Big wardrobe there, and then back into the main saloon. She's got this movable bench that was fitted 2018. And she works really well with this big chart table. All good. She's got Raymarine Axiom Pro 9S. This is the dayhead. Wave at Harry Lightfoot from Berthon, who's doing this little tour. There's a shower in there. Double guest cabin. Good storage. And the same to port. Good galley. And here is top loading fridge. Lots of the beer, very good. There's also an opening fridge which was added by this owner. All looking really, really smart. And then here's the main engine. It's larger than standard size, 75 horse. And all fully serviced. Good access to the cockpit. So, Grand Soleil 50, Bella looking very sharp.